I'm definitely going out this night. The whole of Lagos needs to see my hair. They need to see this beauty.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the first time, my name is 𝐂𝐇𝐄𝐈𝐑. In today's video, I will be reviewing and installing this unit from 𝐻𝐻 Hair. This is the short pixie cut Indian hair HD lace wig. Guys, this unit is 6 to 8 inches. You can see from the wig, and it's also 150% density. Guys, this hair is slick, this hair is smooth, this hair is everything you can think about. I'm very sure when you opened this video, you're like, wow, who is this beauty? Who is this beauty? Who is this gorgeous girl? It's me, oh, it's me. And I want to specially thank 𝐻𝐻 for sending this gorgeous hair to me. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned, watch this video, okay? I'm a bit nervous. I don't know if you can tell from this video, because this is like the first time I'm trying this kind of wig, and to think that I'm installing it by myself, I don't know. I'm trying to picture how this hair is going to come out. I'm trying to like imagine the look I would have after this wig. Fingers crossed, and I hope this comes out well. Let's install this hair. Can you see the wig came pre-plucked and bleached already, so I don't need to do any single thing on this hair. I had to just apply my tint smooth so it can blend very well with my skin. But besides that, absolutely nothing. The HD lace is lacing. I love this natural look. Are you guys feeling the hair already? Be honest, be honest. Because I have a very small coconut head, I'll need to strap this. Guys, my hair is very, very small. Very, very small. I need the extra strap. I need this hair to be snitched. Oops. That part, it's the clear HD lace for me. Are you seeing clean hairline? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? To think that I did not bleach or plug this hair, nothing, but you can see it looks plugged already. It looks bleached, and it's all wow African hair that did. They did everything for me. They said, "Oh my, don't stress yourself. Just install this wig for us," and that is it. I'm going to cut the lace now. Wish me luck, because I need all the luck I can get. But I need to pin this down. I need to clip this down so I can see what I am doing. Of course, this hair is everywhere. See hairline now. See hairline. See hairline. I'm just going to section. What I'm doing now, I'm sectioning the I don't know, I'm not serious. I'm sectioning the hair, the pattern. This is how I'm going to cut it. Okay. And the third one here. Let me bring this mirror closer because I'm not about to lose my eye. Hey, why can't I just be serious? Well, I'm having fun. I'm having fun doing this. I'm having a lot of fun. Ow. Let me not say too much. Let me not even talk. Let me not say anything. You're here to watch it happen. The magic we're about to perform. It's not the magic we're performing, because this is already the process. Okay, this part, the tricky part. I think I'm better with this side of my hair than this side. Like, I don't know. Hey, we can do it. InShot. I think I need to switch to this because I think this is actually better because it's cutting it the way I like it. So I'm just going to stick to this then. I'm going to stick to this. Let me not praise it so much before it's come and disappoint me. Because I don't understand what it is doing now. I just praised you now. Come on. Come on now. Okay, I think I praised it too much. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to my scissors. Can it to me like that after all the praises? Wow, wow, wow. This life no balance at all. Okay, so this is it, but I'm going to use a little of my melting spray to fix this issue going on here. Okay, that's more like it. Did I tell you that this wig is 100% human hair? Did I mention that to you? This is how the wig came with this pattern, but you know, I'm always thinking, Or what do you think? Do you like this? I think I'm still feeling it like this more, right? I am too. I am too. Trying to do like a C pattern. Okay. Guys, I think I'm feeling the hair like this more. I don't think I want to cut anything out. Maybe trim this part out. Even this thing here. Let me go get my makeup done and we figure out what we're going to do with this hair. That's if we're even doing anything. But so far so good. I'm liking the look on me. I'm really liking it. But let's go get my makeup done first. Did I tell you guys this hair is 100% human hair? See how smooth it is. Please, somebody give me another word for smooth, because this hair is sleek. It's smooth and sleek. I'm trying to avoid my ears so I don't burn myself again, because I burnt myself earlier. Let me fix this hat of the hair and I think we're good to go. Okay. Oops, what was that? What was that? Did I mention that this is the second time I'm installing a wig by myself, but this is the first time I'm installing a wig properly by myself without, like, with glue. And I'm super proud of myself. So, if you're like me, you need to get this wig. You need to. Even with the fact that I didn't do anything serious on this hair, I really love it. I really love the outcome of the wig. I'm definitely going out this night. The whole of Lagos needs to see my hair. They need to see this beauty. I know you're wowed. I know. That's you know, the name of the brand is Wow Africana. And I'm wowed. Like, I'm very sure everybody that sees me today, when I go out, will be wowed. I love this hair. Guys, what do you think? What do you think? Drop your comments. What do you think? What do you think about this hair? So here's the deal. Use my discount code. I will not repeat myself again. For those that have ears, let them hear. For those that are sitting down behind, if you cannot hear me now, let me know. Let me increase my volume. Use my discount code 𝐿𝐺𝐿40 to get $40 off your order. Use my discount code 𝐿𝐺𝐿15 and get $15 off your order. I'm going to repeat myself. Use my discount code 𝐿𝐺𝐿. I'm going to put it on the screen for those that cannot hear me clearly. You can read. $40 off your order, 𝐿𝐺𝐿40. $15 off your order, 𝐿𝐺𝐿15. But I'm not supposed to do this. I'm not supposed to be doing this. Okay. If I were you, I would use the discount code 𝐿𝐺𝐿40. Okay? Don't tell them that I told you anything. No, don't tell them that you heard it from my mouth. You don't hear anything from my mouth. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. All the details you need on this hair is in my description box down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please support us. Buy this hair, share this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Don't say that I did not do anything good for you today. Don't even go home and tell anybody that I did not do anything good for you today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.